Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can shop and make money as well. So win-win, right? Who doesn't love shopping as well as making money? I mean, that's just like me summed up to a T. I mean, money and shopping, yes please. So today I'm going to talk about how you can shop and also make money. So to start it off is you need to know, number one, you need to know your thrift stores. This is all on second-hand shopping. Number one is know your thrift stores. Now, all thrift stores, op shops, and second-hand stores have sales. I know, right? It is just mind-blowing to think that these places that are already dirt cheap have sales. Sometimes even have clearance racks. So get to know your store or your stores that you would like to go to or you go to, and find out what days the sales are on. You can even ask, I mean, that's what I do. I ask what day the sales are on, what's the best day to come in for sales, when do they stock up the shelves with new stock, and also some of the stores have clearance racks, so it's all about knowing when those clearance racks come out and are updated. Here in New Zealand, it's Monday, so the beginning of the week, depending on what store you go to, will determine that. I mean, a lot of the stores every day it's updated, so it's just being on top of it. Number two, know what it is you're looking for. So brands in particular are key. So know the brands that are selling well, that are popular. Tommy Hilfiger, Levi. You don't always need to go to the extreme like Gucci and Louis because they're not always available. So you need to go for something that is a bit more mainstream, that is popular. In New Zealand, we've got One Teaspoon, Katsubi, Camilla and Mark, Camilla. Those brands are really popular and really hold their value. So you need to do a bit of research, go on eBay and see what things are selling for and kind of know where your price range is. Number three is have the time. So it can be a full-time job. So you need to make sure that you have the time to go through things and that you're in the mood, because that is key. We all know what it's like to go shopping and you're not in the mood to do it. You're just like, oh, I can't be bothered. I just want to go and eat and then go home. And that's totally cool. We all have days like that. But just make sure that you've got the time to actually sift through things and have a good look, because you want to make sure that you're going through each rack. Well, not each rack, gosh, some of these stores are huge, but like specialize in a specific area is key. So make sure you know what it is you're looking for. Maybe one day you might go in there and go, okay, I'm going to look for denim and these are the brands I'm going to keep an eye out for, and then you can sift through the racks, pull out what you find. Obviously make sure that they're at a reasonable price so you can actually make a good return on them when you do sell them. So number four is be consistent. Now, like I said in the previous one, was op shops, thrift stores are always updating their racks, and they'll always have clearances on specific days. So make sure that you're going in there on days that you know will work for you. Being consistent is key, because obviously the brands that you're going to be looking for are very likely the brands that other people are going to be looking for themselves. So you want to make sure that you are in there and on top and on the ball, so you can pick up those items when they come available. And number five is have fun. Have fun doing it. Don't just look for things that you can sell. Look for things that you want as well. So that's what I do. I'll go shopping and I will find things that I love and are like this. So as you would have seen in my last video, I actually picked this up from the thrift store for like $30. These retail for $350. So I look at it like, I love this, I'm going to keep it, but if I don't love it anymore, I know I can sell it and probably make more money than what I bought it for, which I've actually done that with quite a lot of my items. So I kind of like, I'll buy things, I'll wear them, I love them, and then once I've kind of fallen out of love with them, or I just don't wear them as much or get as much use from them, I will then resell them. So once you've got these top fives all together, you can start selling. So I use a variety of platforms to sell my secondhand clothing. eBay, in New Zealand we've got Trade Me and Designer Wardrobe, which I love. Designer Wardrobe specializes in designer brands. Obviously that's such a huge variety of items that you can sell. But I mean, I can double my money. Well, I do double my money actually most times. And what happens is I just filter that right around, and it actually just pays for the things that I keep. So I end up going out and having a great day shopping. Tick, love a good shop. And I find things that I can sell, chuck them online, I sell them, I actually make money. which will then either cover the cost of the things that I've kept or gives me more money to do more shopping, which I think is like a total win-win. I don't know if you guys like me, I love shopping, love it. I mean, I could do it like full time. I mean, it's just what I do, it's what I love. I love fashion, I love accessories, I love all that kind of stuff. So if I can pick things up at a really good price, then that means the things that I can't find at secondhand stores, I can buy them because I've made money from things that I have sold at secondhand stores. It's something I love to do, and as you saw, jump on my other video if you haven't seen it, and it shows you what I picked up, and that was just in one day. That was in one day. I maybe spent like 3 hours going around 4 or 5 different op shops on K Road in Auckland, and that's what I found in one day. So I will be making sure to upload to you guys what it is I find, and I'll also update you on what it is I sell these items for, the profit I make, and teach you guys how to do it as well, because at the end of the day, who doesn't love shopping? And if you can find things for yourself, and you can also find things to sell and fund the habit, which is what I do, why not? It's just anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions at all, just chuck them down in the comments. Also, I would absolutely love to see you guys on board. Please subscribe and give me a like if you've got the time. It would be so wonderful. I'll be uploading more videos like this on how to shop and make money, along with the things that I do find. I also will be doing some unboxing and reviews of my other items. I do like to do a little bit of a splurge every now and again. I look at it like if I'm saving all this money buying my clothes, then I deserve to treat myself every now and again, and I will be uploading all those videos as well. Anyways guys, I hope you have a great day or night or whatever it is where you guys are. But yeah, like I said, please subscribe, hit me a like. Any questions at all, give me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And thanks for viewing my video.